Hi, welcome to Dave's Corner of the World. Have a great day. An update on our snowstorm. Snow's still coming down. It's about 6:30 p.m. Over here on my picnic table is about an inch worth of snow. Still coming down. Yes, it looks like a winter wonderland out here with only an inch of snow on the ground. Oh man, my poor Harley. Look at there. And as you can see, it's still coming down. What do we have over here? Now I'm going to try get a tape measure out here and see what we got. That's 2 3/4 inches. I think you can see that. And it's still coming down. We'll check it out in the morning. Good morning. Well, it hadn't snowed too much more. Go here at the table where we're early morning. About 3.5 inches. 3.5 inches of snow. Everything is really, really pretty. Not much wind blowing out here this morning. Very calm. Gorgeous trees. The first one up this morning. People in that rig, when they got here, they were asked, how come you're here? We always ask people, not always, but every once in a while we ask people how they came to be going through Alamogordo, New Mexico, and they said, well, we live in Texas, somewhere where it never gets snow, and we wanted to come see snow. So we figured if we came here, we could just go up to Cloudcroft or Ruidoso and find all kinds of snow. Guess what? All they have to do is step outside their rig this morning and they'll find snow. Pretty, 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 pretty. Look at that little tree. Isn't that the most gorgeous thing? Okay. It's cold. It's time for me to go inside. See you next time.